Dadaan lang natin yung Baguio eh.
Yeah, we're going to spend one night in Baguio. Ano ba?
Diretso na tayo.
Eh, gusto niya mag-bike.
Pumaba na siguro yun.
Excited? Okay. How about you? Excited? Ria, excited?
Hit mo na lang.
Okay. Where are we gonna eat? First, we're going to eat muna dinner. And then, magpapagas. Then, we're good to go. Bye! Bye-bye!
Hi guys, we're here sa... Sa QC lang to. Okay. Ano siya? Sa Banawi QC lang. Parang you can literally touch the cloud.
So this is the Lomi from Ifugao.
Nasa Batangas lang tayo sa Laia.
No. And the Batil Patong of Ifugao also. How's the Batil Batong, Daddy? Is it, same taste sa Ilocos?
So Gayan?
Sa Cagayan?
No different.
Okay.
Totally different.
Naghanap ako ng ano yan? Atay? And medyo darker yung tsura, no? It tastes like
Pakbe.
pakbet.
Dininding.
Dininding na batil. This one is lomi. Lomi. How's the lomi, Kalia?
Okay lang po.
Sarap. Uy, kiss ka na muna. Kalia.